Signaling helps make other motorists, cyclists, and pedestrians aware of your intentions on the road. This improves traffic safety and can help to avoid a collision. Below are the established hand signals you may need to use if you are a motorist or cyclist whose turn signals aren't working properly. All signals given by hand and arm shall be given by hand and arm extended beyond the left side of the vehicle in the following manner, and shall indicate the turns that follow. Left turn, hand and arm extended horizontally. Right turn, hand and arm extended upward. Stop or decrease speed, hand and arm extended downward. When to use hand signals. While it might not seem like hand signals are needed most of the time, there are instances when they are both necessary and helpful in order to abide by state traffic laws. These include when a brake light or turn signal light is not working, when the dawn and dusk sun makes it difficult to see other motor vehicle signal lights. Also, when re-entering lane of traffic from parked position, hand and arm extended horizontally. When vehicle indicators malfunction. Hand signals become vital for communication. They enable drivers to convey their intentions to others on the road, ensuring that everyone is aware of their movements and can respond accordingly.